What's the meaning of adorable? Adorable. 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 Adorable means inspiring great affection or delight. Charming, lovable, cute and pleasant. It is used to describe something or someone that is very attractive in a childlike way, often characterized by small size, softness, and innocence. An adorable thing or person has the ability to make others feel happy and affectionate towards them, often resulting in smiles, laughter, and warm feelings. Adorable is a term of endearment and admiration, commonly used to describe infants, animals, and romantic partners in a cute and playful manner.